So here are the review of related literature of my study. Experimental evaluation of solar-powered amenities on guest preference in remote lodging sites in Southern Leyte. So here are the first related review of my research studies. There are few high-quality, eco-friendly hotels and lodges that adhere to the environmental best practices such as using renewable energy, water conservation, or waste management. Sindawala and others 2024, and Sharma A and others 2025, energy cost and technology, affordability, conventional cold storage system are electricity intensive and rural electrification remains inconsistent. Even solar solutions require high upfront and capital investment, making them unaffordable for low-income producers unless subsidized or shared via cooperatives. The third RRL occupancy sensor can automatically adjust lighting and HVAC settings in unoccupied rooms while daylight harvesting system optimize artificial lighting based on natural light availability. Energy Star Hotels. An overview of energy use and energy efficiency opportunities. 2021, these practices not only reduce energy consumption but also align with the growing demand for sustainable travel option and the usage of renewable energy in tourist sites, particularly hotels, has also been the subject of research in literature. As Vanier and others 2017, Cheong and Fan 2013, Chu 2014 from this perspective determining whether there are is a connection between the tourist industry and renewable energy is crucial. So the fifth is renewable energy is very important in terms of the convention it offers environmental cleanliness and the absence of a threat that can be exhausted. Many countries now met their domestic energy by taking advantage of the benefits of renewable energy, Hussein Lee 2022. And additionally, solar energy integration supports the sustainability of these systems, contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emission, a key goal for many modern tourist destinations, Su and Tian 2021. And the seven is these platforms not only improve the management of visitor capacity but also contribute to the environmental conservation, ensuring that tourism remains sustainable in the long term. Gavalas others 2020. And solar energy is seen in a critical component in reducing the reliance on traditional energy sources, thereby aligning hospitality operation with global sustainability goals. Gritzel and others 2020. 9 and 10. From only booking system and mobile check and process to sophisticated in-room automation and AI-powered concierge services, technologies reshaping how guests engage with hotel services to Zuncan 2022, Zay Anders 2022, and resources policies for solar development and ecotourism expansion in emerging economies, J. Lee Bicau, Resources Policy 2024. The references here are the conceptual framework. The conceptual framework shows the relationship between the main variables in the study. It provides a structured way to evaluate how solar powered amenities influence guest preferences in remote lodging settings. Main variables, independent variables, solar powered amenities, for example, solar lighting, solar water heating, solar power charging station, and fans. So, mediating variables. Perceived usefulness. Does it improve comfort and convenience? Perceived sustainability. Is it environmentally friendly? Guest awareness and attitude. Is the guest eco-conscious or sustainability aware? Dependent variables. Guest preference. Example, overall satisfaction, willingness to stay, willingness to pay more, likelihood for recommending lodging site. Theoretical framework. First, technology acceptance model, Tam Davis, 1989. The technology acceptance model, TAM, is a widely used framework for understanding how individuals come to accept and utilize new technologies. The model identifies two primary determinants of user acceptance: perceived usefulness, which refers to the extent to which a person believes that using a particular technology will enhance their performance or experience, and perceived ease of use, which pertains to the degree to which a person believes that using the technology will be free of effort. Relevance of the study. In the context of this research, TAM is applied to evaluate how tourists perceive in the use of solar powered amenities such as solar lighting, water heating, and charging station within the remote area. Guest houses, if these amenities are seen as enhancing comfort, convenience, and sustainability, and are also user friendly, they are more likely to result in favorable guest attitude, increased satisfaction, and stronger preference for solar powered accommodation. Second, Theory of Planned Behavior, TPB, Azizen, 1991. The theory of planned behavior posits that individual behavior is influenced by three critical components: attitude towards the behavior, or the degree to which a person holds favorable or unfavorable evaluation of the behavior in question; subjective norms, or perceived social pressure to perform or not perform the behavior; and perceived behavioral control, or the individual perceptions of their ability to execute the behavior. Relevance of this to the study. TPB supports the understanding of how guest decisions are influenced not only by personal attitudes toward sustainability and renewable energy, but also by broader social and environmental norms. Guests who are environmentally conscious or socially influenced by growing trends in ecotourism may be more inclined to choose accommodations offering solar powered amenities. Moreover, their willingness to pay a premium for such features may reflect their sense of agency in supporting sustainability practices. Lastly, Sustainable Tourism Development Theory. The Sustainable Tourism Development Theory emphasizes the need for tourism practices that foster a balance between environmental conservation, economic viability, and sociocultural equity. This theory advocates for minimizing the negative impact of tourism while maximizing its benefits for local communities, especially in ecologically and economically vulnerable regions. Relevance to the study. The use of solar powered technologies in remote guest houses aligns with the principle of sustainable tourism by reducing carbon emissions, lowering dependence on fossil fuels, and minimizing ecological degradation. Moreover, solar energy provides a cost-effective and resilient alternative for power generations in off-grid areas. By integrating solar-powered amenities, guest houses not only improve their environmental performance but also enhance their appeal to eco-conscious travelers, contributing to the long-term sustainability of tourism in rural areas such as in Southern Leyte.